Alright, good day guys and welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy a domain name on Ton, right? So as you all know, Ton is a growing ecosystem, right? And there have been a lot of airdrops for people interacting on different places, right? Remember the ENS airdrop, remember the Space ID airdrop. So there is a slight chance that if you mint a domain name on Ton, that you might get airdropped, right? So for Open League, Ton has allocated about $150 million for people that are actively participating in their ecosystem, and minting a domain name might be one of those ways to get a share of that money that's been allocated for the ecosystem, right? So we're going to head over to the Ton Keeper wallet. Give it a second. All right, so we put in our passcode, and okay, I think we're good. Alright, so we're going to head over to the browser section, right, and then we are going to go dns.ton.org. So right, once you do this, you connect your wallet, you tap this to connect your wallet, and then you search for the domain name that you want to buy, right? So very rare domain names that have not been minted are actually way more expensive, right? So let's say you want to mint a domain name. Okay, I don't think Amazon would be available, but then let's check for Amazon. Okay, it's already taken, right? But then the idea is that if you're creating a short domain name, right, it is way more expensive than a longer domain name, right? So now let's say, for example, okay, let me use WikiCat, right? You see, WikiCat is like $233, right? While if I add something to it like WikiCat on Ton, you see the price comes down to 1 ton, right? So you can buy domain names like this, right? And to do this, you just place a bid, and then you go on with the bid, right? And then you perform the transaction. So I've already gotten a domain name, right? If I head on back to my wallet, I've already gotten a domain name. Your domain name should pop up like this. I got wagmewikicat.ton. I think it cost me around 1.2 ton, right? And I'm left with this, and I also fish from the last video, right? So you can buy a couple of domain names. You can okay, yes, in the next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to join Open League, right? How to participate and other places or other means by which you can get access to the $150 million allocated for the Ton ecosystem, right? So I hope you guys have fun trying this out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and yes, I'll see you in the next video.